Hello, what's up? Welcome back. Another car, another day. So right, so you remember this car? Alicia's car. All done. It's all done. So everything done. There's a back bumper. So today is we going to dyno this car. So let me show you under the hood. Okay. So today we're going around. Towing is on the way. Ta-da! Look at that V8 boy. Yes. Today we're going to go dyno this car. Around 7 or 8 o'clock we're going to PD our boy garage there. So get ready. So this car one done just for dyno. And then my car. This is my car. So right, today we're doing for the NOS bracket for NOS tank. So the NOS is there. We put this and then put the solenoid back. This car is mostly done just now, and tomorrow we have practice. Yep, tomorrow we have practice, so we can get some inside shot of me driving this car. So today we're going to go dyno. Okay, alright, so now we arrive at our boy garage. So dyno today at our boy garage. So the outside here we have a look. R34 boy. So he specialist on R34 tune now. R34 builds and everything. There's another R34. R34 Safiro, all RB. And inside there another Skyline. Yeah. So we already reached. So right now they're checking the timing. So is it top dead center? dyno jet. Hello guys, so it's the next day. So yesterday was we went to a dyno Alisha's car, right? So damn, the horsepower is like, it's more, it's not say more, but more for me it's more than my car, for my V8, because on the dyno also the clutch is slipping and everything. For Alisha's car, maybe you can touch for 300. So the other day yesterday we get 200 and let me see, 265 dyno jet number. So when you see this video, is dyno dynamics number, so it'll be like 23 something and everything. But in dyno jet, the dyno jet number is 265. It's almost with my engine, almost same horsepower as my car. My car is 275 with NOS. With NOS, you know, it's only 10 horsepower difference. So I should just go to our boy and tune. So I was shocked. Was 265, you know, dyno jet number. Yeah, so it was fast. So today we heading to the shop right now, and I have to touch up some of her car, and because she's going to do test today, so at night. So maybe see how we can get some footage of her driving the car and testing. Okay, and I will bring my V8 also. So we're going to train today. So damn boys, 265, you know, without NOS. So the torque is almost 300 and 300. Let me check. 328. No, torque. I'll put some pictures there for y'all to see. Damn man, the graph compared to mine. I'll put mine also, and I put this. Then you can see mine with NOS, you know. Mine with NOS. I'm damn sad. The engine didn't blow up. Engine is healthy and everything, so that's good. So let's see how Alisha thinks, and I want to test my car also, see what's the difference. Okay.